Welcome to Peer Mountain, the world's only decentralized ID protection, trust, and compliance ecosystem. Protect, own, and control your data and identity, and reduce risk while transacting with other individuals and organizations in a circular economy of trust. In addition to real-time KYC and push-button auditing, businesses gain new revenue-generating opportunities as Peer Mountain trust providers. Individuals also earn whenever they give validation through Peer Mountain's enterprise-grade platform. Patent-pending peer chain technology keeps personal information private during ID verification processes, ensuring secure transactions. Unlike centralized data storage and transmission systems, Peer Mountain's decentralized system protects data in all states, eliminating the risk of data theft. Businesses that deploy Peer Mountain instances get a real-time service delivery platform that's fully compliant with data protection regulation throughout the world. A bank, its auditor, and one or more regulators can host an instance for more cost-effective transparency and compliance, and the opportunity to offer new services. A car rental company, their insurer, and the Department of Motor Vehicles can host an instance to provide a more efficient and cost-effective car rental experience, improving customer satisfaction, acquisition, and retention. Peer chain technology allows you to access instances as seamlessly as you access websites today. The Peer Mountain ecosystem is powered by the peer chain currency, the Peer Mountain token, or PMT, an ERC20 compliant token that keeps account of the trustworthiness of each entity in the Peer Mountain ecosystem. Discover what Peer Mountain can do for you and how you can earn PMT in the circular economy of trust at www.peermountain.com. Peer Mountain. Decentralized trust for all.